So in 534, we're going to be finding area of a trapezoid. So to start us off, we're going to get some vocab done. So first word is trapezoids. So trapezoids are shapes like the one to the right. All trapezoids have four sides and at least one pair of opposite sides that are parallel. So if we look at these triangles over here, okay, if I extend these lines, these are parallel. These will never touch. Okay, but if I extend these ones, they will. So they have one set of parallel lines. Okay. All trapezoids have two main parts. These are called the bases and the legs. The opposite sides of a trapezoid that are parallel to each other are called bases. So our set of parallel lines are always going to be our bases. The remaining sides of a trapezoid which intersect at some point if extended are called the legs. So right over here, these are our bases, these two lines that were parallel. These lines that cross that we drew out, those are called the legs. They hold up the bases. And then the height of the trapezoid is the distance between the two bases. So we drop a line straight down to make that right angle, and that is our height. So we use a formula. You can see it being written like this. Area is equal to 1/2 of the base 1 plus the base 2 times the height. So we add our two bases, multiply it by the height, and then divide by 2. You'll more commonly see it being written as base 1 plus base 2 times the height divided by 2. They mean the exact same thing, but just so you can get used to seeing it, you'll probably see it like this more often. But it doesn't matter which one you classify base 1 or which one you classify base 2, okay? You just add two bases together, multiply it by the height, and then divide by 2. So let's go ahead and try some examples. So down here, remember we use a 3-step method. Our first step is to write our formula. So I'm going to go ahead and write base 1 plus base 2 times the height, divide by 2. Okay, now we plug it in. So area is equal to our base 1 and our base 2. Again, doesn't matter which one you add first. If you do 9 plus 4 or 4 plus 9, you're going to get the same answer. So 9 plus 4 times the height, which is 5 in this trapezoid, and divide by 2. So we could do our parentheses first. So 9 plus 4 is 13. And then I write everything else because I haven't done anything with it yet. 13 times 5 is 65. And then divided by 2, you get 32.5. And then remember to label centimeters squared. So we have our formula we follow, we plug it in, and then we just solve. We do parentheses first, then multiply it by the height, and then divide by 2. So go ahead and pause the video and try the next problem. Okay. So first step, write our formula. So area is equal to base 1 plus base 2 times your height divided by 2. Okay, and writing the formula just helps you memorize it. The more you write it, the more it'll be ingrained in your brain. All right, we plug it in. So our first base is 8 plus 5. And again, it doesn't matter if you wrote 5 plus 8 times our height, which is 4. Don't get confused and use that 5. That 5 is slanted. Remember, your height is always associated with our right angle. And then divide by 2. Okay, so then I solve 8 plus 5 is 13 times 4 divided by 2. And 13 times 4 is 52 divided by 2. So that would make our area 26 meters squared. Don't forget to label. Okay. And the following question is just a challenge one if you want to try it, but that is how you find the area of a trapezoid.